we're actually promoting courses that are legitimate and that actually do help people. Okay. So this is once again just for a show. I've created the graphics. And by the way, yes, within the 2 hours, I created all graphics that you're seeing here, from backgrounds to text. I created these graphics here, these movable graphics here, so people get an idea. Here's like a little benefits section or features: meal planning, achieve weight loss goals, improve health, with some text, by the way. And all this text was generated by the AI, so internal AI. And then here we have another section where we're explaining to the customers, for this on the sales page, that we're coaching them through every single thing. And of course, we're going to update the videos and things. Human being, this guy, obviously he didn't purchase our course. I'm showing you how to set up the course. So I'm moving it upwards, kind of like this, to take parts of that image. I might have to actually move it down just like a little bit, right? So something like this, make it perfect. And then I could take this and do the exact same with it. So I'm going to go here, maybe about there, make sure it's in white, and there you go. You have an example. I might have to increase the size of this. We'll see. Let's see here. So let's take this, increase the size, make it a little bit cleaner, and bring this upward. But you can kind of see where this is going. I'll hit save, and it looks a little bit cleaner, to me at least. And it's kind of like starting to kind of come together. We'll increase the size of this, because what's the point of making it small since everything is going to get bigger? So I'll just, instead of making this 3 columns, set it up for 1 and increase the font size to, let's say, 90. Then I'll take this, increase the line height just like that. And once again, these dummy texts here will be filled. So with something, I don't know what they will be, but we'll figure it out. And so far, we kind of have a good setup here. We'll set this up like that, and there we go. So that's one section right here. We have another section here. I still not 100% sure about this section, but we'll hit save. It's a good start. And now I'm going to have to make officially a graphic that goes perfect for here. So I'm ready. So let's go ahead and work on that behind the scenes. All right, guys. So I wanted to do a update. It is the next day now. I went to bed pretty early, and I worked on this for about 2 hours. So keep in mind, from the very start I created this website to now, up until this point, which I'll show you the work we've done, it's been about 2 hours, and I'm recording at the same time. So you get a glimpse, an idea of how easy it is to work with this software. So I want to show you now what I've done so far. So I have my title on this landing page. As you could see, I created this section here. I think this section really showcases the product a little bit better, right? So whenever I click on something, I can click this little AI button, and I can click, expand, generate, shorten, generate text, and I can click on the tonality that I'm looking for. Okay, so I can look here. Here is a headline with also, yet again, another graphic, which you guys saw. Here we have some more features. And then here I created this little cool graphic that does kind of like spin over time, where people can access meal plans within the course, which is pretty awesome. And we have here a testimonial section. Now this section, once again, is just for the video purposes, so I can show you how to do this. When you're an expert and you're good at what you do, you have to have either your own testimonials, right? So you're showing your own success, or you're showing other people's success because you're the expert, right? So for example, if I'm teaching people on how to code an application, I have to show them an example of an application that I've created. We're not in the business of getting rich quick or some garbage like that.